दूसरी तरफ कोरोना महामारी से अभी भी प्रभावित क्षेत्र सरकार से मदद की उम्मीद लगाए बैठे हैं। होटल्स और रेस्टोरेंट्स इस समय बड़े ही मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहे हैं। प्रियंका अय्यर की इस रिपोर्ट में देखिए कि होटल इंडस्ट्री सरकार से क्या उम्मीद कर रही है।
The pandemic has been harsh on the economy as a whole, but one sector that has suffered the most because of the nature of its business is the hospitality industry. The concept of eating out has changed. People are wary to step out. People are wary to stay in hotels, except trusted brands. So we are here to see what the industry expects from the budget this year and how are hotels and restaurants holding up.
When already our business is 50%, you're telling us, and out of that 50% we are able to get only 30% business, it doesn't even help us to stay afloat. My request to the authorities is whatever relief they can give us in terms of taxation, in terms of some electricity concessions, which will help us, because we are really in a bad state at the moment.
Numbers give us a deeper insight into how much this industry has suffered because of the pandemic. According to industry associations, 50% of the staff employed in this industry has lost their jobs, and that accounts to 4 crore job losses. Not just that, 30 to 40% of restaurants across the country have shut shop, 20 to 30% hotels have shut shop, and the footfalls right now in the hotels that are surviving is not even near to pre-pandemic levels. There's been a revenue loss of 65% for restaurants and around 80% for hotels.
Comparative statement is it is still better, but what was 20% has become 35 to 40%. Still at 40%, people cannot survive. I foresee that at least this entire 2021, we won't reach March 2020 level.
Associations have demanded a minimum alternate tax waiver for at least 3 years in their budget recommendations to the government, and have also asked that hotels and restaurants be granted industry status. But the impact of the pandemic is not likely to wash away anytime soon. Will the vaccination coupled with the budget come as a shot in the arm for the industry? Well, that's the hope. Priyanka Iyer in Mumbai for ET Now.
और मिरर नाउ के इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही, लेकिन देश की दूसरी बड़ी खबरें आप हमारी वेबसाइट mirrornownews.com पर पढ़ सकते हैं। साथ ही में ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और टेलीग्राम पर फॉलो भी करें।